Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Maddy Perez from the 8th episode of Euphoria, and let's right get into it. I'll be priming my face with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. For my eyes, I'll be using the Too Faced Glitter Glue Primer. From the Morphe Icy Fantasy Palette 35i, I'll be lining my eyes to make a cat eye shape and to use that same shade on the inner third of my eyelid. I'll be using a patting motion to get the most out of the pigment. From the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'll be using this blue, what kind of shade is this? A bright blue on the center of my eyes. From the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'll be using the shade Jada on the outer V of my eye up to the winged part. After filling in the gaps, I tried my best to pat on the lines that I made with a chill thrill, and then I also tried to blend two shades together, like the bright blue and the pastel blue to the teal blue to the sky bright blue onto each color so that they blend together. So at this point, just trust the process. I repeated the same process in order of the shades along my lower lash line: Chill Thrill, Bright Blue, and Jada. If the lower lash line looks a little too smoky, it can be fixed with makeup remover or rhinestones. I used the Lash Duo glue and rhinestones I got from Amazon. I used box number 3 to line along the edge of the cat eye. The style of the rhinestones is AB clear. I like to demie use the clear ones.
Okay, so I've already done this side. It took me about an hour, so I'm gonna have another hour of doing this off cameras and to also save some battery. I'll be right back.
For foundation, I'll be using the Girl Pro Coverage in shade Natural. Lashes is the Ardell Demi Wispies. For contour, I use the Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Espresso. For lips, I mixed Hunt's and Nuttall Lip Treatment Lip Gloss, and that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.